Hi, it's Miss Tara. We are going to look at some picture cards and talk about what is in the picture. Are you ready? The first one we have is rocks. Do you like to pick up rocks? Rocks are fun. We can stack them and walk on them. Sometimes they're smooth, sometimes they're rough. Rocks. Next, we have the earth. It's like a big ball. See the big circle? Earth. Next, we have the moon. It is also like a big circle in the sky. Do you ever see the moon way up high in the sky? It's easiest to see at night usually, but sometimes you can see it in the sky during the day. Moon. Grass. Do you like to walk in the grass, or does it tickle your feet too much? This grass is wet. It has dew on it. Those are the little drops of water. Grass. Mountain. These mountains are very tall. Mountain. Shell. This shell is on a beach. Sometimes little animals live inside the shell. Shell. Sand. Somebody built a really cool sand castle in this sand. And there's a bucket and a shovel. Sand. Soil, also known as dirt. This is in a field where the tractor has gone through, made those rows. Soil. Leaf. Sometimes when we're outside in the fall we can find colorful leaves. This one is yellow. Leaf. Planet. This planet happens to be called Saturn, and this one over here is Jupiter. They are way up high in the sky, far, far away, but in our galaxy. This is wetlands. See all the water by all the plants? We call this the wetlands. Can you say that? Wetlands. Good job. This is a tree. There are all different types of trees. This tree is a crooked tree, and it's called a pine tree or an evergreen tree. Clouds. Look at the clouds up high in the sky. Now, I always think that this cloud looks like a bunny rabbit with its front feet and its face and its ear kind of flopping over. Clouds. And next, we have the stars. There are so many stars up in the sky. This is a big picture of outer space with all those stars and galaxies. Stars. This is a comet. It is like a rock that goes flying through space, and it goes so fast. It lights up and has a tail. Comet. Sun. This is a really cool picture of the sun. You can see all the heat coming off of the sun because it's hot. Hot sun. Sun. Sea jellies. These are jellyfish, and they like to swim in the ocean. Jellies. Oh, look, it's a rainbow. This rainbow is so pretty. There are so many colors in the rainbow. We have red and orange and yellow and green and blue and purple. So pretty. And this is a picture of the sky. And there's some clouds in the sky, and it's a very blue sky. And there's the sun. Let's see if I can get it just right. There we go. Sun is in the sky. Oh, look at this. This is a sea star or a starfish. I know this type of red one lives near the Cayman Islands. I have a friend that lives in the Cayman Islands, and I have pictures of her holding it. That's how I know they live there. Starfish. Water. It looks like somebody dropped something in the water, and there are circles of waves in the water. Water. Can you sign water? Put your fingers together like this and say water. And if you can't get your fingers like this, you can just do this. That's okay too. Water. Sunset. The sun is going down, down, down. Sunset. Look at the fish. It is such a pretty fish. Should we sing our fishy song? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. See the little fishy swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. See the little fishy swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop! Good job! Yay! Okay, fishy. Oh, and here's the crab with his pinchy, pinchy claws. Pinchy, pinchy, pinchy. Crab. Do you see his eyes? Those are his eyes, and they look all around. Crab. Coral. That is all those colorful things in the water, and the fish are swimming around the coral. Coral. Ocean. Look at the waves in the ocean crashing, crashing. The water looks very blue with white caps. That's what we call that white stuff. That's where the water is all moving around really fast. Waves in the ocean. Oh, and here's the beach. This is the sandy part. The waves come up and touch the sand. We call this part the beach. Do you like to play on the beach? Digging in the sand is fun. Whoa, this is a great big wave crashing, crashing, crashing down. Wave. Oh, and this is the last one. This is a beautiful flower. We can smell the flower. The flower is so pretty. Flower. Well, we have come to the end because this was our first one. So we did all of those pictures. You did a great job. I'm so proud of you. But for now, we are all done. Can you tell me all done? Okay, I will see you next time. Bye.